Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Fallout Shelter application on your iOS device. If you want to jump into the post-apocalyptic world of Fallout Shelter, then first of all, start by unlocking your iPhone and connecting to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. Now from your device's app list, select App Store. In the search box, type in Fallout Shelter. Look for this application from Bethesda and tap on the Get or the Download button. You may need to verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password on your iOS. The download will begin. Wait for a few moments while the app installs, and once installed, tap on Open to launch Fallout Shelter and begin managing your vault. And that's how you can easily download Fallout Shelter application on your iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.